So let's start making the paneer pakoras. First I will light the gas and get the oil heating. Till the oil heats up, I have taken about 1.5 cup of besan, and in this I am going to add about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, green chilies 1 to 2 as per your taste, half teaspoon jeera powder and half teaspoon of ajwain. Put in some coriander leaves, and here I have the paneer which I have cut into cubes. So I will just, with a pinch of salt, just put some salt over it, some red chilli powder, and just turn it this way. Just carefully lift it so that it doesn't. Take some water to make a batter of it. So this is the consistency that's required. It shouldn't be very thick and it shouldn't be very thin. The oil has nicely become hot and smoked up, so I'm just going to lower the gas. So here I pick up the paneer, put it down, and I take a little bit of green chutney. This is a chutney prepared with coriander and a little of mango. Place it over it. Now this is one piece. You're good to fry it like that if you need big pieces, but if you want it smaller, you can just cut it. So I'll just continue doing this. So very carefully we cut it into half, which is also a good size. We dip it in the batter and we put it to fry. So here are our lip-smacking paneer pakoras, absolutely delectable. You can have it with chutney, with sauce, whatever you feel like. Please try this recipe. If you like it, subscribe to India Food Network. Till next time, goodbye.